Most photographers take the photo way too soon. Have you got a minute? Let's educate, empower and inspire your photography 1 60-second tip at a time. So here's a simple idea that can instantly improve your composition. Don't shoot straight away. Now I know that sounds a bit odd, but stay with me. When you lift the camera and immediately press the shutter, you're often working on impulse. And sometimes that's necessary. It could be a case of shoot it or miss it. But when the scene isn't going anywhere, pause for a moment. Look through the viewfinder without taking the photo, or even frame the scene with your hands first. That tiny pause creates something really valuable. Space to think. Suddenly you start noticing the things that often spoil a photograph. Distractions at the edge of the frame. A bright object pulling attention away from your subject. An unbalanced composition that feels a little bit off. And here's the thing, great composition happens before you take the photo, not after. The best photographers don't just see the subject, they see the entire frame. And if you'd like to learn more about visualization, composition and making better creative decisions before you press the shutter, check out episode 8 of my Ultimate Checklist series here. Remember, you don't always need to shoot faster. Sometimes the biggest improvement comes from slowing down just long enough to see what everyone else misses. That was your Focus Bite, and better photos aren't about gear, they're about vision. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you soon.